Friends, welcome to S&T Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a 12 volt to 5 volt converter circuit. So it is really very easy to build this type of circuit, and you could able to use 12 volt power supply of your car to charge your mobile. So let's see how we could able to make this type of converter. So let's start the project. So friend, you must require this following material to build this type of converter: 7805 IC, capacitor 10 microfarad, capacitor of 1 microfarad, heat sink. So after build, you could able to see that it is very portable, and I have connected a LED to see how it works. So here is the circuit drawing. So 7805 CV, the IC is the main thing that is required in this type of circuit to drop the voltage from 12 volt to 5 volt. So you must provide two capacitor 10 microfarad and 1 microfarad as shown in the video. So let's test how it work. So I am giving an input of about 12 volt. You can see it here, friend, 11.9 volt or 12 volt whatsoever. So but the output will be stable 5 volt. So you can see here the output is 5.03 volt, that is 5 volt, and by this way you could able to make this type of converter which will convert 12 volt DC to 5 volt DC, and with the help of this type of converter you could easily able to charge your mobile from car. Friends, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&T Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscribers. Thank you.